Dear students, in this video I am going to explain BCom General 4th semester syllabus. Total 7 subjects we have here. Okay, one by one I am going to explain these 7 subjects. First subject, first language, that is English. Total mark for this subject is 100 marks. Out of 100 marks, 80 marks for semester exams, 20 marks for internal, and exam duration for this subject is 3 hours. Next we have second language. Second language also having 100 marks. Out of 100, 80 for semester exams, 20 for internal exams, and semester exam duration for this second language is 3 hours. You can view Urdu syllabus as well as and Telugu subject syllabus here. Next we have choice 1. Here we have total 3 subjects. Out of these 3 subjects you can select any one. Very first one is practice of general insurance, second one social media marketing, third one business intelligence. This subject having total 50 marks. Out of 50 marks, 40 marks for semester exams, 10 marks for internal exams, and semester exam duration for this subject is 1.5 hour, that is 90 minutes, and these subjects having only 2 units. We have choice 2. Here also we have 3 subjects. Out of these 3 subjects you have to select any one. The first subject is regulation of insurance business, second one is search engine optimization and online advertising, the third one data visualization and storytelling. These subjects also having 50 marks. Okay, total out of 50, 40 for semester exams and 10 for internal exams, and these subjects also having 2 units. Okay, and exam duration is 1.5 hour, that is 90 minutes. Next we have choice 3. Here we have 2 subjects. One is the income tax, second one is the Excel foundation. Any one subject we have to select from these 2. Okay, and total marks for this subject is 100 marks. Out of 100, 80 for semester exams, 20 for internals, and these subjects having total 5 units, and exam duration for this subject is 3 hours. Next subject we have business statistics. This subject also having 100 marks. Out of 180 for semester exams, 20 for internal. Total this subject having 5 units, and exam duration for this subject is 3 hours. Next subject we have here corporate accounting. This subject also having 100 marks. Out of 180 for semester exams and 20 for internal exams, and this subject having total 5 units, and exam duration in semester exam is 3 hours. Thank you for watching. Please share this video with your friends.